In this video, we will show you how to create drone camera effects video using Gemini Artificial Intelligence. Okay, to creating a video above from the sky like from drone is can achieve by using just Gemini. How to do that? For example, let's open Gemini from Google. Okay, just open the gemini.google.com and you can log in using your account here. And I'm already logged in using my account, you can see. To do that, first, you need to generate using View 3. Don't forget, this is the most important thing. Click this. The View 3 is active if this video is blue like this. After that, we will using this prompt and we will share this prompt in the video description. You can see, create 8-second cinematic rap music video for a Halloween settings in New York, USA with a Fast and Furious using FPV drone camera style. And I will share this complete prompt in video description. Let's copy this. You can just modify this prompt. Okay, we will submit. You can modify what you need and you can adjust them. Okay, there is drone camera choreography, very dynamic. 0 until 2 seconds, a fast flying FPV drone following children running and lounging on a dusty, dirty road, wearing Halloween costumes. Okay, you can edit this prompt, of course. For the last, the camera should feel like a professional FPV drone, fast, fleet movement following the characters, and forming immersive visuals. Don't produce static or slow motion. After we enter this prompt, when we click submit, it may take 3 until 5 minutes. So you need to be patient to see the video results. Now our video is ready. Okay, this is 000 and this is 8 seconds video. Let's play. Wow, you can see there. Now the homework for you is just add some lyrics and background music. So this video will looks great. After that, you can share the complete video if you add the lyrics and music. Okay, I will share the later tutorial how you can add lyrics and music using editor. And this is tutorial how you can creating a video with drone camera effects. You can see there. And that's all. Tutorial how you can create a video using drone camera effects. Thanks for watching.